Edge banding is a pretty simple process, but it does take a bit of trial and error. So I recommend getting a scrap piece of wood that you're intending to cut out of, clamp it down, make sure it has a little bit of overhang on either side, and you can cut that off or break it off. Feel the edge. You want to make sure you have overhang on both sides pretty evenly. A quick tack down. Hold this down until it starts to smoke, and then just kind of work it back and forth, rocking it a little bit, and really push that hot melt adhesive down into the end grain of the plywood. Something I've seen other people do, and it works pretty well, is to just snap this off. You can flex it and just snap it off. And that'll get you pretty good results, but the next level is definitely an edge banding edge trimmer. It's just like a little guillotine that just, yeah. So those ends are looking really nice. And then at this point, I would usually take my laminate file, which is not a normal file. This is less aggressive, and it can really just kind of glide over like a laminate surface. And I'll usually just square up that edge. There's two ways I like to get rid of this overhang. It's not very much. You can also get wider edge banding so you have a bigger overhang, but this one is pretty minimal. There's not a lot of waste. The better you get at it, you don't really need really wide edge banding to get the same results. And so this is an edge trimmer, and it just has two razor blades on the inside. And you have a trimmed edge. So right here I have some hot melt glue that you can see I'm kind of removing with my fingernail. And you can just kind of scratch it off, but you can also use a laminate file to remove that glue. It's a little bit better. Yeah. And then now you're left with a really crisp, sharp 90-degree edge. And so I take that same laminate file, and at about a 45-degree angle, you can just run over it and knock off that sharp edge. Sometimes you do get just a little bit of tear out in the grain of the wood. And so if you're looking for a really nice edge and you don't want to risk any tear out because maybe the edge is particularly visible, I highly recommend using a laminate trim bit. It has a bearing that it runs along this edge, and then it has blades that removes that overhang. And this way definitely works the best. It takes a little bit longer, and sometimes I've found there is a bit more glue cleanup with the file with this method, but the results are far superior to this trim tool. So this edge has been edge banded now, and so is that, and it's really looking pretty good.